Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Creative Digital Hacks. Today I'll show you how to easily slim down belly fat in Photoshop using the Liquify tool. First, open the photo of the person in Photoshop. Now, go to the top menu, choose Filter Liquify. From the left panel, select the Forward Warp tool, or just press W. Adjust the brush size according to the belly area. Keep it large so the result looks natural. Now gently push the belly area inward. Do it step by step, not all at once, to keep it realistic. Adjust everywhere so that it looks natural. Check the preview on and off to compare before and after. Once satisfied, click OK. And that's how you reduce belly fat using the Liquify tool. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.